Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Fortnite error, a D3D11 compatible GPU. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open the view advanced system settings. Under performance select settings. Go to advanced tab. Under virtual memory select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. After that, select a custom size. And now you just need to find out how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here, you can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just close tab here. Now check my video description for these installer size value and maximum size value. Just to copy the value depends on where RAM. In my case I have 16 GB RAM, so I'm copying this value. Paste it in installer size and maximum size, same thing, copy the value depends on where RAM and paste it in maximum size and select the set option and select yes. Now the value should be set at under breaking file size. Select the OK option and select apply and OK. Select OK and select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.